Hello and welcome back. Last time we left off talking about file permissions and how they kind of worked. We're going to talk about how they work some more in this video. Let's get started with some simple utilities to manage file permissions. Ooh, I know you're excited. More tools to learn to master. This tool is called Find, and what does it let you do? Help you find stuff on Linux servers. How very convenient. Let's go ahead and mess around with it. Let's say we wanted to find all files on this system that belong to the user called test. To do that, we'll do find slash, so slash is the root of the file tree, dash user, and we let it run. And then after it's done running, you see it finds all the files and folders that belong to the user test. A very convenient and useful command. You can also use find to filter by groups. So if we were to do find slash dash group, and I think we have a group called Betty, and we let this run, and let's see what happens here. So we have one folder owned by the user Betty, and that's it. That's FARDB sudo lectures B Betty. So very convenient.